PDFs are a digital nightmare for people with disabilities. 70% of digital platforms have major accessibility barriers, but I'm about to change that for your documents. First, proper tagging is essential. Without tags, screen readers can interpret your content. Use Adobe Acrobat Pro to add tags if your PDF doesn't have them. Structure matters. Create a clear hierarchy with document title, headings, paragraphs, and images with alt text. Headings are crucial navigation points. Use H1 for your title, H2 for major sections, and so on. Reading order is everything. Fix it using Acrobat's reading order tool. Multi-column layouts are especially tricky. Make sure content flows correctly down each column. For forms, every field needs a descriptive tooltip. Tables require proper header cells with relationships between headers and data clearly defined. Always test with actual screen readers like JAWS or NVDA. Automated checkers help, but they can't catch everything. Set proper document metadata, title, language, and security settings that don't block screen reader access. Creating accessible PDFs from scratch is easier than fixing them later. Use styles in Word or InDesign, then export with accessibility options enabled. Making PDFs accessible isn't just about compliance. It's about equal access to information for everyone. Your documents should work for all users, regardless of ability.